Good morning, traders, and welcome to the Daily Call today, Thursday, the 16th of August. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let's have a look at what's happened yesterday. And we had data coming from the US. We saw the retail sales number come in at 0.6%. That's the core retail, and the retail numbers themselves were 0.5%. That was better than the forecast, as the US dollar just continues to tear away, and it's really strengthening, and more so against all pairs that it's up against. Crude oil inventories came in at 6.8 million barrels, and that was to the minus 2.6 million that was forecasted. From the UK, the CPI number came in on forecast at 2.5%. It had a slightly better day yesterday, the GBP, and even though the US data was strong, the GBP-USD pair maintained itself and stabilized somewhat, although still a little bit, it fell to newer lows, but stabilized a little bit. Locally, our wage index number came in at 0.6% as the Aussie continued to fall, but that was predominantly based on the US side of the Aussie USD pair, as we are making newer lows on that particular pair at this particular moment. Alright, time now to have a look at our chart of the day, and the chart that I found for us this morning it's the USCAD on a 4-hour time frame. Now, if you actually go to a daily time frame on this one, the pattern is still there as well, but if you want to execute a trade straight away, you got to drop down to a 4-hour. And as you can see from what I'm showing you here, it's a falling channel, really nice channel. We're up on the third touch at the top side, and so just let me zoom in so we can all see a little bit better. When I zoom in at that top side, which is just over here, where I've highlighted already, we've already formed an inside candle situation. So essentially this is our current candle, which has just started probably about 50 minutes or so ago, and essentially what we need now is we need to break the bottom. If we do, we're basically in this trade as sellers. If we break the top of the inside candle, well, then you need to go and cancel out your order, as it would be void and not valid. So there you have it, USCAD 4-hour time frame. That is our chart of the day this morning. What's on our agenda for the session, which is about to kick off? We have at 11:30 locally, we have our employment change numbers and our unemployment rate due out, so that will affect our Aussie dollar. And then at 6:30 this evening from the UK, we have retail sales numbers. Let's see if they get a little bit better and stronger data coming from the UK side. Guys, as always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. I'll talk to you tomorrow for the Daily Call. Bye for now.